Hi. Let's learn about labor-intensive industries. The term labor-intensive refers to a process or industry that requires a large amount of labor to produce its goods or services. The degree of labor intensity is typically measured in proportion to the amount of capital required to produce the goods or services. The higher the proportion of labor costs required, the more labor-intensive the business. Labor-intensive industries or processes require large quantities of physical effort to complete necessary tasks. In labor-intensive industries, the costs associated with securing the necessary personnel outweigh the capital costs in regards to importance and volume. Advances in technology and worker productivity have moved some industries away from labor-intensive status, but many remain. Labor-intensive industries include restaurants, hotels, agriculture, mining, as well as healthcare and caregiving. A prime example of a labor-intensive industry is the agricultural industry. Jobs in this industry, which is closely related to the cultivation of foodstuffs that must be picked with minimal damage to the plant as a whole, are particularly labor-intensive. Even with the use of certain tools, a person must be involved with the vast majority of the work. Many positions that are part of the service industry are also labor-intensive. These positions include those within the hospitality industry and the personal care industry. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Labor-intensive refers to a process or industry that requires a large amount of labor to produce its goods or services. 2. Labor costs encompass all of the costs necessary to secure the human capital necessary to complete work. 3. In labor-intensive industries, the costs associated with securing the necessary personnel outweigh the capital costs in regards to importance and volume. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.